thing came out pretty good. I just hit it with the hose real quick, so it needs to be washed, but here she is. I think the appeal of the Gheenoe platform really comes down to how simple or how complicated you can make it. It's all about personal preference. So a fish finder, handheld radio, that's about as much as I would ever want on this thing. I've seen some with, you know, speakers, full electronics, ton of bilges, lights, but you know, nav lights, it's really all I would personally want. 6-gallon gas tank is what I have on here. I think a 3 would be fine for most people. I got it kind of wedged in there with a yoga block just to keep it from moving around. I got this sea deck off Amazon. As you can tell, I had some fun with it, just trying out some new things. I think it came out all right. I like it. Everyone that's seen it says, you know, they like it. We took it out once and it was really comfortable, and the boat handled great. We ran into some issues with the motor, which is why this thing doesn't have anything on it. We had a old 80s Johnson on it, and that just wasn't going to cut it. Speed-wise was fine. It was flying, but the motor just decided to get hot and stay hot. So I did install 4 track rails. These are the Yak Attack aluminum rails. I got 2 up here on the front. One of them right now has a fish grips, and then I got a Yak Attack camera mount just to kind of show, you know, a possibility of what you might do. And then I got 2 rod holders over here, kind of just to simulate what it would look like. I probably would move those rod holders up to the 2 front ones, because more than likely when you're running that trolling motor, you're going to be up here. What I like about these is that I can turn them in. So if I'm like running for a bit and I don't want the rods hanging off over the sides, potentially hitting stuff, you know, this makes it really easy. And there's not really a solution for boats that can do that as easy, but kayaks, you know, they've been running small plastic rod holders that can do all sorts of yoga for years now. So I think it fits the Gheenoe pretty well versus some stationary rod holders. The sea deck ruler I think works out great there. 36 inch. If you catch something over 36 inch in a Gheenoe, that's awesome. Probably be a big red or maybe a tarpon, but keep your tarpon in the water, and your redfish, if it's over 40, you'll know it. So but yeah, I love how it came out. I call it a Gheenoe. It's a riverhawk, but you know, it's also a Gheenoe. It's based on a Gheenoe. It's a Gheenoe. But yeah, I think everything came out pretty good. The paint is rock solid. It came out great. Went very aggressive with the splatter, and it looks awesome. It makes me want to do my center console like that, just because I like it. I know they use it as a way to hide imperfections and stuff, but hey, it's a fishing boat. There's tons of imperfections. But yeah, that's how she came out. And all the basic maintenance stuff has been taken care of. Trailer's in great shape. Tires are fine. New lights. And yeah, I'm either gonna let her go and let someone else have some fun, or you know, find another motor to slap on her and give her a good whirl. It's just hard for me because I have a center console. Me and my buddy co-own center console that's just, you know, absolutely blast to use, and we do a lot of free diving and stuff, and you know, it's nice to have the option. And unless you're, you know, living up or living down south and you're diving mangroves and stuff, you're not going to be doing much diving out of a Gheenoe. So the center console being able to take us offshore is definitely a little bit more of what I like to do. But yeah, let me know if you like it, or if you have any questions or recommendations. I am more than happy to talk with you.